Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I install the clip-ins that I made. If you'd like to see me do that, stay tuned. I start by securing the ends of the braid using bobby pins. You can also sew it down if you wish. Find a small piece of the hair, then snap open the clips. These are the combs that you're going to push down in your hair. Start from the bottom of the hair by attaching the left comb to the left side and the right comb to the right side. The combs should go down in your hair. Once you feel that they have gone down, then close the clips. You will then repeat the process going up. You can label the clip-ins to save some time because I was trying to figure out what piece goes where. Halfway in, you can go ahead and do your edges. I don't know what I was doing honestly because my hair was fuzzy again in like a minute. It was like a bad edges there. Instead of doing it from one end to the next in a curved way, I did it straight across the space that's in the middle. Do this until it's very close to the front. This kinda look good. Not sure if I would wear something like this. Okay, back to what we were doing. I then used the braided hair to cover the tracks at the front, and I used bobby pins to secure the braid. This is the completed look. I think I would prefer to put a headband over the braided hair though. a kinky curly hair, but I say alright, let me wet it and see how it look. Especially with the braid here at the front. I don't know. You guys can let me know though. If you guys didn't see the video on how I made the clip-ins, I'll definitely include the link below. Thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. I will see you in the next video.